Okay, so we're just gonna mix this. And here's our homemade fruit cup, and there's grapes, kiwis, strawberries, apples. You can put in mangoes, bananas, pineapples, kiwis, cantaloupes, melons, watermelons. I would say
it goes in there.
Yep, you name it, it goes in there because it's a fruit cup, so you could pretty much have anything. If you don't like these types of mandarins, you can have the mandarins from the cans, but it wouldn't be a homemade fruit cup if you're using the fructose. All right, and it's done. And make sure that we have everything in here.